Guys, take a look at my Amazon Prime wardrobe box. Oh yeah, still going. It's still going. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, there, we're at the end. This gigantic monstrosity is my Prime wardrobe box that I am so excited to unbox. I think I asked for some animal print stuff, more jackets, some animal print shoes, things like that. I had really hard time narrowing it down to 8 pieces because I think they send you maybe like 15, 16. They send you quite a bit of pieces and then you just have to narrow it down to anywhere between 3 and 8 pieces. So I always stuff it to the max of 8 pieces. But it was a very hard decision this time. So that's always a good sign that there are lots of pieces that I want to try. If you're not familiar with the Prime wardrobe process, it's basically, they've got a styling service now. You can search on the app for Prime Personal Shopper by Prime Wardrobe, and then you put in a styling survey just like you would any other style service. It's $5 a month, and then before they start styling your next month, you can put in specific requests for your next box. I have found that one of the things I like about the service is almost, I feel like they're doing a little bit of the treasure hunting for you. So my price levels, I put in the very, very lowest price levels of everything, which I do for every service because I don't want to pay much. So I feel like they've gotten me some amazing deals, which has been awesome. The Not Your Daughter jeans that I got in my last box, card for that somewhere, that it was like 18 bucks. Later on, somebody asked for a link for that. I found the link and it was back up to like 115, and it was like, crap, man, I got really lucky. So I really like that aspect to it. I did the Prime wardrobe before when you pick out your own things, and I'm sure I will do that again, but it is nice having, you know, a stylist or a computer stylist, because are they really stylists? I don't know. There's no stylist notes that tell me it's like a real person, and Amazon is all like computerized. I'm not convinced it's a real person, but regardless, they find me some really great deals. So whatevs. Okay, let's go ahead and dig into this. I think I see now why this box is so huge. There's some big fluffy jackets, there's some shoes, and let's just get started at the top. Fluffy! I know that Sherpa is all the rage, and she put in a jacket that was Sherpa, and I'm still obsessed with that jacket I got in the Transcend. Okay, another card to watch that. It was outside of my price range, but it was that kind of that Sherpa moto style. Absolutely loved it. And so I'm kind of keeping my eye out for if there's other similar things elsewhere. I think Old Navy might have one that I might snatch up in like a Black Friday sale or something like that, or maybe Ever Evil have it on sale, or maybe this jacket will satisfy all my dreams. It seems huge though. Okay, this is by Levi Strauss. It is the trucker, ex-boyfriend trucker jacket, which is funny because my husband is a trucker. So there you go. And it's got the Sherpa. It doesn't feel as nice as the Transcend jacket did. It also looks a bit big, which I know most of these Sherpa jackets are kind of oversized, which is why I like the Transcend one so much. So I like it. We'll see. Has kind of the polyester type lining to it. You can hear it. I almost thought there was tissue paper in it at first. Okay, so first jacket, second piece, another fluffy, furry piece, this time animal print. So very excited, honestly. It does take, you know, a little while after you pick stuff out for it to get to you. Not real long, maybe a week or whatever. So, but in that time I managed to forget everything I saw. All right, this is by Vintage America. This is an extra small animal print jacket and super soft. I really like the feel of this one, and kind of has this drape open type look to it, though it does have some sort of clasp there at the front, but I really like that. I think that is super cute. Okay, still going. Next fuzzy jacket. This is the box of fuzzies. Okay, this is Jack by BB Dakota, and it is a cream colored sweater, which I love cream colored things, and it's got kind of this bow tie here on the sides of the sweater, which I thought that was a really cute detail. So, and it's got kind of a, it's not particularly soft, but it's got kind of these strands that come off that give them this like fuzzy look. So, okay, I really like this. I think this is cute. Kind of a longer sweater, which I like having a few longer sweaters in my wardrobe. Next up, a snakeskin something. This is a dress, a V-neck dress. It looks tiny, so hopefully it's not too slim on me. It does have ruching here on the side. It does have lining throughout the torso, through the bottom of the dress, which I always like lining. What is this brand? This is by Jump Apparel. So I really like it. It'll just be a matter of, is this too tight for me? It might be, but we won't know until we try it on. All right, this looks corduroy-esque. Ooh, this is soft. This is like a blanket. What are you, my friend? This is by BB Dakota. This has got a hoodie. Oh, okay. Well, I wouldn't have picked this if I saw this, but okay, so it's a hoodie, super soft. I like that, but it is like a Dolman style hoodie cardigan, and I am not a Dolman style person, so that's disappointing, but I was very encouraged because it's like blanket material, which is super awesome. So I am interested to try this on, but this kind of sleeve is not my thing. Okay, another animal print here. I would wager this is another dress. This is by Lark and Row, and this is a true wrap dress, it appears. I really don't have any true wrap dresses, so I'm very excited to try that. I'm curious, does it have any sort of clasp or anything? It does not. So true wrap style dresses can be a little bit dangerous. I love that it's long sleeve though. I love a good wrap dress, I think. And I'm excited to try this on. I'm excited about this piece. All right, last up we have two pairs of shoes. Man, this box is just hard to get into. This is by 7 Dials. Ooh, and we have a snakeskin booty. I have a pair of snakeskin heels now that I really enjoy. And it does have a pointed toe. And it feels good, you know, has a decent amount of heaviness to it. The heel feels really solid. So I like this. It doesn't appear to be like painted on or anything. So very, very cool. Last item, we have another animal print booty. Kind of, this is more of a cheetah leopard print. I'm not sure which one. And really like these. Nice, it's a kind of a slip in with a little bit of a kind of a tight elastic here. What's the brand? Yoki, I guess, is the brand. So, okay, really, really great pieces. Lots of animal print, lots of fuzzies, jacket stuff. So this is an exciting box. I'm pumped about this. So let's go ahead and get this stuff on. Okay, so we got the trucker jacket on and the wrap dress. So start with trucker jacket. It's bulky. I mean, it's a decent fit actually. It doesn't seem like there's a ton of extra fabric. I think it's just a very bulky coat. And sleeve lengths are even great. Perfect actually. So from a fit perspective, it's a great fit. I have no complaints on the fit, but from style perspective, it's too bulky for my taste. So let's go with just the dress. Ta-da! That means I like it. Okay, so first of all, like I said, this is a pure wrap dress. I don't actually have any wrap dresses, and I think their wrap dresses are great because they are so flattering on all different types of figures. So really like this. I do have some concerns up here because there is no clasp to hold it in place, but I'm hoping if I keep it tight up, because right now it's okay, and I'm TMI here, but I'm kind of wearing a big old padded bra right now, so I'm thinking if I actually go down in bra size, I can kind of cinch everything a little bit tighter, and maybe it'll be up a little bit higher. It's not bad though. It's really not too bad as it is. Here is the 360. I love the long sleeves on it because it makes it really comfortable. This has a nice thickness to the material, so I do wish it did have pockets though, but that's certainly not a deal breaker for me. So I really like this, really like this. Okay, let's get on the next outfit. Okay guys, this dress is such a no. It was so hard to get into, and I almost said forget it a couple of times, but I know I'm disappointed when I see people post stuff out and I don't get a chance to see them in it because it doesn't fit or something like that. So I went for it, and it was a challenge, and this is a big no for me. Just super tight. Just not really my style. Just more sexy than I would wear, more bodycon-esque than I would ever wear. Here is 360. It has a big open back on it, though my hair is probably covering that up, but that's fine. You guys don't need to see bra strap and crap. So yeah, definite no. Let's move on. Okay, next up is the sweater. I think the sweater is cute, but I think it's probably a little bit more oversized than I care for. Sleeve length is not bad. So again, I think it's the style, not necessarily the fit, that's just a little bit more oversized than I care for. So let's keep going. I did want to show you guys the side slit. Now I would definitely need a cami with this because this is open, but I do think that is a very cute detail. So I do like that piece. Okay, I might be cutting off my, move the side here a little bit more so I'm not cutting off my head, but I wanted you guys to be able to see the booties with the coat. So I don't know what to call this, whether it's a jacket or a cardigan, but it feels like a little bit of both. It's super soft, so really comfortable. I think it's cute. I wish that the sleeves were actually a little bit more form-fitting because the sleeves are pretty baggy, and I think this would be better if it fit more, it was more of a tighter fit, but the rest of it fits well. I'm not having a lot of extra fabric here. So I'm kind of mixed on this piece. And then here are the booties. They are a good height, I like a thick heel. It keeps me a little bit more stable. And I like a nice little animal print booty. So I like these quite a bit. So I don't know. We'll see. All right, I think I have one last cardigan and one last pair of shoes. All right, so last jacket cardigan thing and booty. So I like the blanket material of this. I even like the camel color, but I'm just not a Dolman person or cocoon style. I'm not quite sure what all this is. It's like Dolman cocoon something. I don't know, but it's just not my style. Though I do kind of like that it has a hood. I like being snug. So there you go. All right. So next, the booty. I only put on one because taking the stuffing out was like a huge ordeal, and I didn't have the energy to do it with both. But you guys get to see it. Get to see what that booty looks like. I think it is cute. I don't know. The toe's probably a little bit pointier than I like. I know it was pointy on the animal print, but it's just not necessarily my favorite. So this was a rounded toe. I'd keep this in a heartbeat. Again, I really like the heel on it. It's a good thick heel. It's not too tall, so it's perfect in that standpoint. I just wish I could round the toe off a little bit. So, but very, very cute. All right, now I have shown you the prices as we have gone along, but I myself am not sure about what prices are. So I will take a look at the prices and then give you guys a final recap here, and we'll decide what to keep. All right, guys, that was fun. I always enjoy trying on these clothes. I have taken a quick, I've kind of sorted the clothes by not keeping my babies and my yes. So let's go through that. You guys have already seen the prices. I have my price sheet here in case I forget how much something costs as it relates to the conversation. Okay, so my definite no's were the trucker jacket. It was just too boxy for my taste, too bulky, I guess. This camel cardigan because I don't Dolman. This snake skin dress because it was the tightest thing of all time. Oh, and I didn't realize on the time when I tried it on, but it is a junior dress. So I am not an extra small in juniors, and that explains to me why this thing was just massively, massively tiny on me. If I want to size up, I can always just order it off of Amazon in a larger size, but I just don't think this is really my thing, so I'm not going to keep that. And then the snakeskin booties, I thought these were great. These feel like good quality, good thickness. I just, for some reason, the pointed toe, which is not the world's most pointy toe at all either, I just didn't like it on me. I didn't like looking down at it, and I didn't love it on me, but it's a good looking booty. I don't think I will be keeping these. Okay, so let's go to the maybes. So the maybes are the booty, and I like this. This is a little bit less pointy than the others, closer to a rounded toe. It is a slip-in, which I don't know how much I love that, just because it can be a little bit of an effort to get a foot in a slip-in like this. And then I don't have, you know, is this elastic going to hold over time? I'm not sure. So these were $34, so that is a good price for a booty like this, but I'm just not sure. And this sweater, you know, I looked in the mirror. I love the color of it. It just was a little bit too big. So I think this is a maybe, but probably a no. And then, oh, this cardigan here, jacket, whatever you want to call it. I've done my recaps in it, but I just think it looks a little bit too big. I could use it in like a petite or something like that. So I think in the end, I'm not going to keep it. So to me, the only real yes was this wrap dress. Really, really like this dress, and I'm going to get some good use out of it. Very, very cute. So, all right, let me know your thoughts below, what you guys think. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.